Hello guys, welcome to Top Politics. And Top Politics na channel where they give top political update as they drop here in Nigeria and Africa. Now recently I saw a video of Kenneth Okonkwo analyzing how bad the APC government don't perform since they take power, Now I been no one post this video here, but I just realized say I need to. I just realized say it is important that I do, so that a lot of persons or every one of us go make the right decision, especially now where the next presidential election day around the corner. And I'm going to allow us to watch this video, but please, before we watch this video, please, if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, and then if you're watching on Facebook, please follow this channel and then share the video, and then don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section so that I will know what your take is on this video. All right, I still remain your personal person, Mr. Ifeanyi. All right, let's go ahead and watch the video now.
APC is bad.
Really?
Yes. Because there is no sound coming out of APC. What you hear is noise. And when people make noise, they exchange ignorance through argument. I was in APC, and reading their manifesto, reading their constitution, which their leaders are not aware of. They don't know the contents of their manifesto. Because by their manifesto, they talked about restructuring. By their manifesto, they talked about true federalism. And then the promises they made Nigeria. 1 naira should be equal to $1. Today, a dollar is 735 naira. You know what it means?
Market.
Good. Of course, the parallel market is the street market. You know what that means? It means that APC has failed 735% of the time from what they promised. So their deviation is unpardonable. And to begin to rub it in, I did not subscribe to the fact that ASU will be at home. Students at home, my younger ones, denied education for 7 months. And there is no end in sight. That was not the reason I entered APC. When I entered APC, they promised me they were going to tackle security. After the failure of PDP, give it to PDP. They failed. They acknowledged. They apologized. APC came pretending that they are going to build on what PDP did. And yes, they are building a skyscraper of failure on it. Because the security that was limited to Northeast has metastasized and has swept all over Nigeria. In the Southeast, you talk of the unknown gunmen. In the North Central, you talk about the herdsmen. In the Northwest, you talk about bandits, kidnappers, terrorists. In the South, you talk about the oil thieves. In the Northeast, Boko Haram is still laying ambush, liquidating our military officers and the people in Northeast. So they have not done anything. In the issue of corruption, one person who is supposed to be the custodian of the money of Nigeria is alleged to have stolen 109 billion naira, the provable one. You can imagine in APC government, we are witnessing termites eating documents, monkeys swallowing money, snakes becoming money eaters. In APC government, I did not vote for animals to begin to manifest as witches, stealing our money. So in APC government, everybody has become a thief, including animals. Please, we need the redemption. APC, the name of APC, gives me so much trauma that I would want to talk about APC as meaning. Anyway, let me not say it so that
you didn't see all of this before you joined the APC.
I joined APC December 16th. December 30th, 2016, when Boko Haram was allegedly technically defeated. When I joined APC, it was actually moving at the right direction. That was just like 1 year or two after they had finished the 2015 election. And when I read their manifesto, when I read their constitution, these were the lofty aims that I saw. The one that really touched me, they said, providing selfless service to the nation that will engender prosperity, stopping discrimination at every level, this, that, this, that. I stayed there till after 2019 election. When the new government came in, and I saw the direction they were going to. If you have been reading my column, you discover that I have been in APC, but I have been abhorring everything they have been doing.
But perhaps